In this short video I actually want to show you the card component. It is actually really useful and crucial thing in our web development journey, because we need card everywhere. So so this is very simple and easy to use, but if we really want to make card every time we are doing a new project, that is really a pain in the pain in our hand. So material AI provides a lot of these cards are really basic, but if you see, this is a little bit complex. You have some icons. You can also expand this section and also close this section. You have a icon here, you have a avatar here, you have a title and description, also an image. So this is a really good one. Yeah, a little bit basic and simple, minimalist. And this one also same, and this one is a little bit different with like wonderful action. If I click here, it is really good looking. And what is this one? That's okay. There are a lot of cards, you can check them out here in the documentation. But if I show you the this one a little bit complex, looks like complex. If I show you this one, I think you can work with any other one, I guess. So first you will actually copy the code, so I don't have to write everything. I hope you will also do the same, because you actually don't want to make the card or any component from the basic. Okay, you will just copy and then you'll go to your editor. And I actually want to make another file for this card, so I can reuse the card in my whole application if I want. So that will be a good thing to do. So I'll make a folder called components, and in that components I will say my card component and .jsx, and I'll paste the whole code here. So everything is, I think everything is good, but there is a something recipe. Okay, they name it as recipe view review card. I can say my card. Okay, so I'm actually making the name a little bit consistent in everywhere, so that to understand it easy for me. So I actually saved in this file, and if I come here and want to import that my card component, I can import it here. And if I go to my code editor, here is the picture is not working because I think the path is not well defined. Okay, this is, there is no image in this path. I'll remove this one and I'll try to, I can say image. So I can take any image from online if I want. You can actually, this image is good. I can say open image in new tab. Sorry, I didn't want to download it. Okay, I think I'll choose another one. I can choose this one, copy, open image in new tab. I can copy this link and remove everything, and then I can paste here, and it should work. Yeah, yes, it is working. So the card is here. You can see here I actually made the website in dark mode in my theme. Previous video I have shown how to use this theme, create theme. Okay, so I am using that theme here. I have actually customized a little bit everything. So if I go to my card section here, if you want to understand a little bit of this code, you can see like they are saying card. So the card component is the main thing, it is I think a deep with some style free style. They have actually set the max with 345. I can make it 545, so it will be a little bit wider. If I make the card in the center, I can say there is a component called paper. Paper is nothing but with a little bit different background, or you can say a little bit with shadow. So I can say if I save here, and here is the a little bit different color, the paper. This is a deep but a little bit different background with a little bit different background. Now I can here use the SX property. So to style, I can say BG color with BG color is like I can say transparent would be good. If I can, I actually don't want to. Okay, I can say primary. It is actually not working BG color, so I actually don't want to. I can say height will be 100 bh full height. Actually want to full height, and I can say display grid and play. Okay, place items center. So the card should now in the center, should be in the center. Okay, I need a little bit different background in the card, so I can go to the my card and say BG color will be primary dot main or something like that. I changed the color. It is not actually looking very good, so I can say secondary. Which color I have given? This is not also good. My custom color. What color I actually made? This one actually a little bit good, not that good, but this is the my custom color. It is actually coming from this theme that I created. Okay, so by this is the card, and you have card header. If you want to remove, if you want to change the avatar a little bit, you can say red, not red 500, you can say red 300, a little bit lighter. The avatar made a little bit lighter. You can also remove the avatar if you want. I can remove it like this. I can remove it like this. I can change the title here. This is called title. I can also change the subheader if I want. Here I can also remove it if I want. I can also change this icon if I want. Then I can actually increase the height of this image like 300. Say it actually increased in height. I can also change this writing typography. This is actually the subtext here. I can also change this card actions. This is the collapsible area. This area collapse and closes, so you can also remove it if you want. Expand more, you have also should remove this expand more if you remove this collapse, because if you don't use this, you don't actually need that expand more functionality. They actually wrote that functionality here. There is a function, you can see here, expand more. This is coming from styled, that will describe in some next video. And they are taking a taking a state variable. You can see here they are actually toggling it every time we click here. Okay, so they are doing it by it. You can also change this icon if you want. So this is the card component, and this is actually really helpful to use easily cards in our project. So I will see you in the next video.